thanks for watching, and something I want to update you guys on about me singing is that the places I am planning out to compete at for singing is Madison, Green Bay, Milwaukee, and Wasau. So I will be looking forward to see you all there, and yeah. But OMG, guess what? So today I went to the my doctor's appointment, and like I got 2 shots. 2 shots. They hurt so much. I don't know. People thought, well, like my brother was there, so he was all like, "Oh my God, Mindy, like you're over exaggerating." But I'm like, no, it hurt a lot. And I think one was like the flu shot, and then I forgot what the other one was, but it hurt like I don't even know if like, do you see this? Like, it's like this the whole day. It hurt a lot, but